barangay is important because that's the basic government unit. Lahat ng services of the government goes through the barangay. That's the first line of defense. Kung may problema yung mga tao, ang pupuntahan barangay officials. That's why importante to empower the barangays kasi sila yung mag-deliver ng basic services sa mga tao doon sa mga purok, doon sa mga sityo. If you provide more services to the communities through the barangays, that will help them in so many ways. It can develop a strong and robust healthcare system. It can foster economic growth. It can encourage tourism. It will also show that they're seen. Nakita na sila, narinig na sila ng gobyerno. Sa mga barangay officials na nakausap namin, they're not asking for much. They just want to be heard. They want to be seen. They're asking for help to be able to do their jobs even better, to provide more services to the communities they serve. We're not here to entertain. We're here to act. We're here to help. We're here to be partners. Tayo-tayo, sama-sama sa pagbago sa Pilipinas. One barangay at a time.